So the last phase of settings we are going to do is to add our WhatsApp number, set it up properly, okay? Then we're also going to work on the payment gateway, adding a payment gateway, and we're going to work on the checkout, all right? So let's scroll down to settings and click on WhatsApp contact number. Okay, this is my contact number. You click on it. Then I need you to turn on these icons, okay? And you click on save. All right, let's go back. You can put your name here, okay? David. All right. Admin, let's say this is admin. Designation admin, okay? So you click on save. If you want to add your picture, you can do that. So you can see that we have a WhatsApp icon and we have a call icon. All right, so let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so we're going to configure our gateway payment. So before we do that, I want us to configure the checkout. Okay, click on checkout. Now, most importantly, let's check add-ons. If you have any add-on, maybe you want to cross-sell or you want to upsell something, you can add it here, okay? But then, we're not working with add-on. Let's check forms. So these forms, these are the things you require your buyers to fill while trying to purchase with your app or from your store, okay? So I'm going to tap on this name. I need their name, I need their email, I need their address, okay? And you can use landmark for those that are doing physical product and you will do delivery, okay? You can choose city, state, country, okay? Then you can leave a note so that they can give you a note, all right? So you click on save, all right? We have done this. Then the next settings I want to do under checkout is settings. All right, let's look at settings. Okay, if you have any checkout note you want to drop, you can do that. You can maybe put your account number here and say, if you try making payment online and it does not work, kindly use our account number to make payment and we will reach out to you. After payment, send a screenshot to this number. So you can write a note and drop it here so that whenever they are checking out, they can read the note. If it is important to them or something that they need to take note of, they will do that. All right. So the next one is your WhatsApp. Okay. Here it says WhatsApp checkout. Let your customer place an order via WhatsApp message without going through OTP verification process. OTP means one-time password. So I'm going to check this on. Okay. And I'm going to click save. All right. Then let's look at mobile number. Okay. It says mobile number. Allow customers to check out with their mobile number while checking out. If user selects a payment gateway other than pay later, we will ask for a mobile number. Okay, fine. This is okay. All right. So these are the settings I want to do so far on the checkout. If you want, you can choose to reset anything that will suit your store, okay? So I will go back. Then the next phase of settings we are going to do is the payment settings, okay? So here we'll be configuring our payment settings. This pay letter, let's look at how it works. Let's click on settings, okay? Here says pay letter. Description says please order quickly, pay at your convenience. Okay, so this is people who want to pay later, maybe through bank transfer, or they just want to place a reservation. All right, if you want to change this description text, you can do that. So the next thing we'll be doing is to add a payment gateway. You can use Stripe, you can use RezoPay, you can use Paystack, you can use Flutterwave. Now Flutterwave and Paystack works for at least 5 to 7 African countries. Okay, so if you are watching from any of these African countries and your country supports Paystack and Flutterwave, you can use any of them. Okay, if your country supports Stripe, you can use it as well. If your country supports PayPal, you can use it as well. So, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Paystack to do my settings. Okay, so I'll click on settings. I'll click on enable. So for me to enable, I need to log into my Paystack to get my publishable key, secret key, and place this webhook in my Paystack account. So I'll be doing that, and to do that, I need to go to my browser. Okay, so I'll open my browser. I'll go to Paystack. Please remember that this works on your computer too. Okay, this works on your computer. So I will click on Paystack. Now click open. So you can use your computer to set up your store, or you can use your phone like I'm using. Alright, so I will be logging into my Paystack account. I'll be logging into my Paystack account so that I can do the final setup. Click on login. So at this point, I will pause this video to enter my email address and password. Okay, all right, my account has opened. Okay, so I will be completing the setup. Please ignore this notification on my account. It's because I've not used Paystack for a very long time. It's getting to 2-3 years now. I've not used Paystack, so I'm going to contact their customer support to reactivate my account when I'm ready. But I want to show you how you can configure your Paystack with your WhatsApp store. Right? So click on this icon, person icon, okay, human icon at the top right side corner of your screen that has an arrow pointing downwards. Okay, when you click on it, you click on profile. I'll be showing you how to do it with Flutterwave as well. Okay, I will show you how to configure Flutterwave. Now you click on API keys and webhooks. Okay, so at this point you are going to concentrate on this API configuration live mode. If you are using test mode, you use this, but we are doing live mode. Let's just set it up completely. Okay, so you can click on this your live secret key to see it, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just tap on it. Okay, I will tap on it. Okay, it says enter your password to see this. I want to copy it, so I'll be pausing this video to copy it out. Alright, so I have copied my live secret key. Okay, and I'm going to paste it on my WhatsApp store settings. Okay, so let's go back. Right, let's return to payments. Let's go to Paystack settings, turn it on. Okay, secret key, I will tap here and paste. Okay, then publishable key. Let's go back to our Paystack. So this is my publishable key, this live public key. I will copy it, right, back to my WhatsApp store app. Okay, I'll click on it and I will paste. Alright, so the next thing I will do is to copy my webhook. I will copy it, this webhook, I will copy it and I will go back to Paystack and paste it. Okay, so here I am and I will paste it here, this live webhook. I'm going to paste it. I'll click on save changes here. Okay, it says updated, you can see that. Then I have to go back to my WhatsApp store app to save it as well. Alright, so here I'll click on save. Okay, we are done. So Paystack is enabled. I'll be showing you quickly how to configure Flutterwave at the same time. Alright, in case you want to make use of Flutterwave. So I'm here on my Flutterwave and I'll be logging in and we'll configure our Flutterwave with our WhatsApp e-commerce store. Okay, so I have successfully signed in into my Flutterwave. Alright, so I'm going to click on main menu. Okay, I'll click on settings. Alright, I will click on API keys. Okay, so this is my Flutterwave API key. Alright, as you can see, so I'll be copying these keys. We have the live API keys, we have the test API keys. So I'll be using the live API keys. So first of all, I will copy the public key. Okay, I will copy this, then go back to my WhatsApp app store. Okay, let's click on settings, Flutterwave. Let's set it up. Right, so here I'll be pasting the public key. Okay, now next is to get the secret key. So I'm going to copy the secret key here. Alright, I've copied it. So I'll paste it here. Okay, I'll paste it here. So next is to put the live encryption key. Alright, I'm back to my Flutterwave and I will copy the encryption key. Okay, I've copied it. So I'll be pasting it here on this store. Okay, alright, so we are going to copy this webhook. Okay, we'll copy it and we'll go back to our Flutterwave to add it there and we'll save it here. Alright, so I'm back on my Flutterwave and I'll click on webhooks. Okay, so here I will just paste this webhook here. Alright, I will paste it here and I'll click on save. It says settings updated successfully. Okay, so I'm back to my WhatsApp e-commerce store app and I'll click on save. Okay, so we have successfully enabled Paystack and Flutterwave. So it is important for you to use one because they are all serving the same function. I just showed you how to integrate Paystack if you are using Paystack and how to integrate Flutterwave if you are using Flutterwave. So at this point, we have set up everything that we need to get our store functioning. Okay, so our store is ready. All right, our store is ready. I can decide to make Flutterwave the main gateway, so I'll be turning off that of Paystack. Okay, all right, let me turn it off and save. Okay, so I have Flutterwave enabled and Pay Later enabled. Okay, so this is how to set up your own WhatsApp e-commerce store. So you can share this link to your friends on WhatsApp through your broadcast message, through your WhatsApp status. Okay, now if you are using business WhatsApp, there is an option for you to add your website, so you can as well add your WhatsApp store link there and people can easily go there and connect with you and buy your products easily, quickly, with their phone without so much stress. All right, so this is how to set up your WhatsApp e-commerce store. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the support group. Okay, and feel free to play around this app. Okay, play around the app and test your store. After you have set it up, make sure you test it and see how it functions.